Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today we're going to focus on 5 different exercises to work your back, so upper and lower body as well. So let's get started right here. We're going to do it twice, so 2 sets. I'm going to start with rows. So I'm going to bend over and then I'm going to go on my mat. So shoulders are down and back, abs are tight, hands from the hips, palms are facing each other, and we're just going to do that. And we're going to inhale, exhale. Squeeze the shoulder blades together without lifting the shoulders. So feel that your shoulders are staying right here in the pockets. Squeeze. Good. And again. And squeeze. Can we do 8? 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. And 2. And last one, we're going to stay right here. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Check again your shoulders. Make sure they are away from your ears. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly release and rotate your shoulders. Now we're going to work your obliques. So let's go right on your back. I'm going to give you 2 options. Abs are tight. Bring your lower back in contact with the mat. Arms are right here by your side. I'm going to slide a little bit. I want you to see me and not Riley. Okay, so here you can do this one. So inhale to come back. You need your back muscles and your obliques, your abs to be able to come back. Inhale to come back to neutral. Exhale to the side. You're welcome to open more your arms, keeping the shoulders in contact with the mat. That's your option 1. Option 2, your legs are straight, keeping the feet together. Inhale to come back. Exhale, side. So let's go. You're getting tired? Go with option 1. It's okay. Good. So use your strong inhale to help you to come back to neutral. Good. Oi. That's it. Okay, can we go for 4? 3, 2. Okay, now I'm going to stay to the side. Let's see right here. Shoulders in contact with the mat, abs are tight. Do you feel the work? 4, 3, 2, and slowly come back. Inhale, exhale to switch. Same thing, stay there. Make sure shoulders are staying in contact with the mat. 4, 3, 2, that's it. And slowly release. You're welcome to bring your knees right here to your chest. I'm going to do plank. I want to give you 3 options. Plank are so good for shoulders, but also to work your core. Number 1, it's right here. You're working your core right here. You can also do plank on your forearms. Retract your shoulders. Or of course, you're going to do it from your toes. You can even do one leg. So choose your option and let's get started. Breathe. That's it. Abs are tight. Press your forearms on the floor. It's going to help. Look at your hands. That way your head is in line with the rest of your spine. It's okay, by the way, to keep the bum up. Eventually, you're going to be able to bring it down. And I want you to build it up. If you can do 10 seconds, fine. 20 seconds, better. 30, try to hold it a little bit longer every week. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, good job. And slowly release. You're going to open your arms right here in T shape. Keep your forehead down or lift the head. Option 1, you keep your head down and you're going to open right here. Okay, so we're going to press the pelvis against the mat. We're going to inhale, exhale to press. If you want to do a back extension with it, you're going to come up like that. Okay, every time we do a back extension, we need to lengthen the legs. So choose your option. Let's go. Inhale, retract your shoulders. Exhale to lift. Inhale down, exhale to left. Good. Let's go for 8, 7, and you're welcome to keep your forehead on the mat. You don't need to lift your head. 5 more. Do you feel the work? Let's go for 3 and 2. Good. 1 more. Woo! If you need a rest, push yourself in child's pose right here. Okay, we have 1 more exercise to go. I'm going to bring my arms right here, lengthen the legs, and I'm going to come up and touch one hip. And I'm going to go back down to inhale, exhale, lift, and touch the other hip. Super easy. Listen to yourself. Ready? Inhale, exhale, press the pelvis. Let's go. Touch your hip. Come back. Inhale, exhale, touch your hip. Optional to turn your head. Make sure you don't have any pain in your neck. Good. Inhale down, exhale up. Nice. Again for 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2. Good. And 1 more to go. Good job. And slowly release and push yourself again in your shell just for a few seconds. And then we're going to repeat again. And let's stand up for our second set. We're going to do the row. Shoulders are down and back. We're going to hinge from the hips, working your core. Okay, palms are facing each other. Press your big toes on the floor and squeeze your shoulder blades together without lifting them. Inhale, exhale up, and again down. Exhale, that's it. Super easy. You were just using gravity here to work in our upper back, biceps. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. And we're going to stay right here. Squeeze the shoulder blades, relax them away from your ears. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. And release and rotate your shoulders. I'm going to go right here on my back. We're going to work obliques and, of course, your back. Abs are tight. Lower back against the mat. Open your arms a little bit wider. Bring one knee at a time up. You choose to keep your legs together and bent. Or option 2, harder, right here, keeping the feet glued together. I don't want to see them moving. Okay? Inhale to start. Exhale to the side. Inhale to come back. Exhale to the side. So you decide how deep you want to go. Obviously, deeper, harder. Good. Are we feeling the work? Maybe you're going to feel a stretch on the opposite side that you are going. That's okay. Make sure you don't have any pain. Good. If not, you're going to need to do baby ones or legs are bent. And can we do for 4? 3, 2, 1 more. Nice. And release, knees to chest. I'm going to do plank. Again, you choose to be on your all fours or plank on your forearms and or on your feet. Let's go. Breathe. Good. Anytime you need a break, just drop on your knees. or lift the chest, release completely, and try to go back to it. So working your shoulders, your core, big time. So plank, you need to build it up. Can we hold it again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop one knee and the other knee. Let's go right here on your stomach. We're going to open our arms in T shape. I'm going to keep my forehead down this time just to make it different. So press the pelvis down. We're going to open the arms as high as you can. Shoulders away from your ears. We're going to inhale, exhale up and squeeze. You're welcome to squeeze your cheeks as well. Okay, inhale, exhale. Oh, I'm touching Riley. Good. 8, 7. Do you feel the work in your shoulders? 6, 5, 4, 3 more. Come on, we can do it. And 2. Let's stay right here. Little pauses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Push yourself in child's pose. Whew. And then we have one more exercise to go. We're going to go back again, right here on your stomach. Bring your arms above your head. Press your pelvis. I'm going to come up and touch my hip. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and slowly come back down. When you're ready, just join me. Good. Again. Contract your glutes. Feel the pressure of your pelvis right here on the mat. Okay, we're going to go for 4 more. 3 and 2. Good. And 1 more time. That's it. And release. Push yourself again in your shell. And then you can have a seat on your mat. Come here, you. Riley, come here. There we go. Look at the camera. You should say bye-bye to everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. These were your 5 different exercises to work your back, upper and lower. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.